Hello and welcome to another APro tutorial. In this video I will be explaining how to rename channels in your settings. So let's get into the video. Here is the default home screen for a 4-channel DVR. Drag your cursor to the bottom and the toolbar will appear. Click the menu icon in the bottom left of your screen and then click Setup. Choose the Live option under Channel. Here you can personalize each camera. I will change the first channel name to Example as a demonstration. Once you've changed the name, make sure to click Apply. Here you can see the title of the camera in the top left.